mixture. 1 egg, 1/2 cup big pumpkin pie filling, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon brown cinnamon. These cookie sheets and reheat oven to 350 degrees. Mix the butter and sugar together in a bowl. Once they are mixed, add pumpkin, egg, and vanilla. Sieve the dried ingredients together into a bowl. Mix dry ingredients gradually into pumpkin mixer. Drop by tablespoons into greased cookie sheet. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes or until light browned. Minced apples, 1/2 butter, 2 cups brown sugar, 1 cup light corn syrup, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 3 sweetener, and milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cups salted peanuts, 10 green apples, 10 wood screws. Chop peanuts and then set them inside melt butter. In 2 quarts saucepan. Once the butter is melted, add brown sugar, corn syrup, and salt. Cook the mixer over medium heat, stirring until mixer comes to a full boil. Mix it sweetly, consistent milk. Continue cooking, stirring until the milk has formed. To test for milk, drop a small amount of mixture into ice water. If it forms a ball, it is ready. Remove the milk from heat and stir in vanilla. Insert screws into each apple near the stem. Take apples into the milk mixer and coat apple. Roll each apple in chopped pieces. Place into butter wet paper to cool. This is how we like that. 1/2 cup chocolate sauce, 1 prepared graham crackers and cracker crust, 2 orange sherbet, 4 sweet chocolate chips. Set sherbet inside to allow it to soften evenly. Cover the pie crust with chocolate or sauce. Place covered pie crust in the freezer to harden in a large mixing bowl. Mix the sherbet and the chocolate chips. Place the sherbet mixer into the prepared crust and smooth it with a spatula. Return pie to the freezer until ready to serve. Done. Your turn. Okay. Done. Pumpkin seeds. 4, 1, 4 cups raw pumpkin seeds. Resume 1 1/2 tablespoons cooking oil. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 4 teaspoon black cumin. 14 sheets waxed paper. Pumpkin seeds. Cooking oil. Butter and salt in mini mixing bowl. Toss mixer. Line up baking sheets with the wax paper. Spread mixer into the wax paper baking sheet. Let the mixer stand for 24 to 48 hours or until dry stirring necessary. Once the mixer is dry, remove the wax paper. Toast the mixer in 325-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes, stirring every 15 minutes. Let cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Pack seeds with paper towel to remove excess oil. One fourth cup of marshmallows. 6 cups rice syrup. White icing. Red icing. 5 red cinnamon candles. Melt butter in large saucepan over low heat. Once butter is melted, add marshmallows and stir until completely melt. Remove mixer from heat and add rice syrup. Stir until well cold using butter hands. Roll the mixer into one each ball. Allow rice syrup to cool with the done cooling. Coat rice balls in white icing. In the center of each ball, add a cinnamon candy. Use red